In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft To Do sign-in error on Windows. If Microsoft To Do won't let you sign in on your Windows PC, the cause is usually either your account, the app itself, or something in Windows getting in the way. We'll move from the quickest checks to the more thorough fixes, so follow along and test the app after each step. Start with a full restart of your computer. It sounds basic, but a reboot clears temporary glitches, resets background services, and refreshes sign-in tokens that can get stuck after updates or sleeps. Once your PC is back on, try opening Microsoft To Do and sign in again. Next, confirm your account works outside the app. Open your browser and go to https://todo.microsoft.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account there. If you can sign in on the web, your account and Microsoft servers are fine, and the issue is probably local to your Windows app or settings. If web sign-in fails, it's likely an account or server problem. In that case, consider resetting your password or using Microsoft's sign-in helper tool, then try the app again. If your account is fine on the web, refresh your Windows account connection. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then Access Work or School. Select your Microsoft account, choose Disconnect, Confirm, and then Connect to add it back. This refreshes authentication tokens without deleting your to-do data, since your tasks sync with your Microsoft account. Reopen Microsoft To Do and try signing in. If that didn't work, reinstall the app. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Microsoft To Do and uninstall it. Before reinstalling, it's a good idea to make sure Windows is fully updated by visiting Settings and Windows Update. Then open the Microsoft Store, search for Microsoft To Do, install it, and sign in. Your lists should return once you authenticate. If sign-in still fails, check your network. Restricted corporate networks, VPNs, or strict firewalls can block Microsoft services. Try temporarily disabling your VPN, switching to a different network or hotspot, or loosening firewall rules just long enough to test. If you're on a managed device, your IT policies may require assistance. Finally, reset the Microsoft Store cache, which can interfere with app authentication. Press Windows key plus R, type wsreset.exe, and press Enter. A blank window will appear and close. The Microsoft Store will reopen automatically. When it does, launch Microsoft To Do and try signing in again. With these steps, most sign-in errors are resolved. If you're still stuck, it may be a temporary service issue or something specific to your account, so try again later or contact Microsoft support.